Hello everyone, Robert here, and today I want to talk about addiction. Addiction is a complex issue that affects millions of people worldwide, and unfortunately, it's often misunderstood. Today, I want to shed light on the real cause of addiction and why we need to treat it differently. Let's start with an attention-grabbing hook. Did you know that drug addiction is a severe problem in many cities, including downtown Vancouver? It's a problem that requires urgent attention. Now, after years of working with addicts, Dr. Gaber Mete made a groundbreaking discovery. He found that addiction is not a choice, a moral failure, or a weakness of character. Instead, it's a response to human suffering caused especially by severe childhood trauma. Yes, addiction is an attempt to escape suffering temporarily, and those who suffer from addiction need to be helped to heal from their trauma, rather than simply being judged or having their symptoms controlled. Unfortunately, society and the medical community often approach addiction with the wrong perspective. We treat it as a legal problem and punish those who suffer from it. But this approach has led to poor results in treating addiction. Instead, we need to address addiction as a medical and social issue that requires the right conditions for healing. We need to provide an environment that offers support and care rather than judgment and punishment. Society often re-traumatizes people who have already experienced severe trauma, and this leads to a self-perpetuating cycle of addiction. We must end this cycle by providing the right environment for healing. So how can we help people heal from addiction? First, we need to understand that addiction is not a moral failing. It's a response to trauma. Second, we need to approach it with compassion, understanding, and empathy. Third, we need to provide resources that help individuals heal from their trauma. Therapists or counselors can use, for example, therapies and trainings based on cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. It is a form of therapy that helps individuals identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors. It has been shown to be effective in treating addiction by helping individuals understand the underlying thoughts and emotions that drive their addictive behaviors. CBT has also been used to treat trauma-related disorders, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, by helping individuals learn coping skills and manage their symptoms. As a holistic coach, I'd offer a variety of evidence-based trainings that help individuals overcome addiction and heal from their trauma. We provide a safe, supportive, and non-judgmental environment where individuals can improve, heal, and recover. Currently, we are creating a learning series on the topic of addiction. If you don't want to miss out, please subscribe to this channel and share. If you have further questions or need urgent assistance, please reach out to experts in this field, such as your trusted doctors, psychiatrists, or psychotherapists. Don't give up immediately if the first person you approach is unable to help you. You or the person you are supporting are a gift to the world and deserve professional support. In conclusion, addiction is a complex issue that requires a new approach. To truly help those who suffer from addiction, we must understand that it's a response to trauma, and we must approach it with compassion, understanding, and empathy. Let's work together to break the cycle of addiction and create a better future for all. Thank you for your time and for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.